Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Coach Remy here. I have some exciting news to share with all of you today. I've officially released my first ebook titled 30 Days of Low Back Pain. 30 Days of Low Back Pain is the ultimate cheat sheet to preventing and overcoming low back pain. In 30 Days of Low Back Pain, you'll find 30 of my best tips that I've learned since overcoming my own back injury to the clients that I've worked with, ranging from your 9-to-5 office worker with low back pain, clients with spinal surgical interventions, and professional athletes. In 30 Days of Low Back Pain, you'll find weightlifting tips for back pain. Proper form is paramount to building strength and endurance to support the low back. And this guide gives you detailed instructions and visuals to make you confident in your movements. Find sparring strategies from stretching to conditioning and essential mobility exercises and the best time of day to exercise. 30 Days of Low Back Pain gives you a specific approach to getting you back to feeling better. Video and visual aids. Each tip gives you step-by-step instructions and a video to consult so you can start implementing these new techniques correctly. Who is 30 Days of Low Back Pain for? I designed 30 Days of Low Back Pain for the individual that is struggling to find quick and simple solutions to overcoming and preventing low back pain. Whether you're a 9-to-5 office worker or athlete with low back pain, regardless, 30 Days of Low Back Pain is for anyone that is struggling to overcome a back injury. And I can promise you that this is not a cookie-cutter approach to overcoming back pain, nor will you find these tips from your average trainer or clinician. With 30 Days of Low Back Pain, you're learning about common errors that people make during exercise that may make them prone to a back injury, develop strategies to help reduce back pain, and ultimately get an actionable guide to eliminate back pain. You can grab your copy at remysovereign.com, and for anyone that purchases 30 Days of Low Back Pain in the first 7 days of me posting this video will also get my bonus guide free, my 10 favorite spine sparing muscle building exercises. These 10 exercises are the exercises that I use to help me build muscle during my back pain journey, and also the exercises that I use with my back pain clients to allow them to build muscle and get results without triggering pain or symptoms or creating a new back injury. But this will only be available free to those who purchase my 30 Days of Low Back Pain ebook in the first 7 days of me posting this video. So don't wait, grab your copy at remysovereign.com.